Rum good, liver good, fi make mannish water. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely Tiki-Cooks. Yes, I'll be making some mannish water today. Here is my goat belly and head and my seasonings. I have turnip, banana, thyme, carrot, chaw, pumpkin, Irish banana, cock soup, yeah, you know, some little scallion and thyme and ting, pimento, pepper, garlic, yeah. So let's get right into it. So yeah, this is a quick one, just adding in my washed goat head and belly, adding in my pumpkin now, yes, and 2 peg of garlic, and I'm just gonna let that boil. Now I'm washing my bananas. You know, wash it off because you're not going to peel the skin off. Everybody know that, right? From you know about ram soup, ram goat, mannish water, whatever. You also know say the banana not gonna peel. Yeah, see me. So yeah, I just a scratch. Now I just like put some oil for my hand, cause you know when you cut the banana, like a stain I gonna come. I'm gonna run my hand for stain up some. Yeah. So yeah, pumpkin boil out, meat cook, adding in my food and all my provisions, and look at that, look nice, look like I can't eat already though, or drink rather, cause of soup, yeah, but yeah, my pot look nice. Now I'm just going to add my cock soup, and you know, as usual, I'm just out that, sieve it out, yeah, I'm on the noodle in them, and I'm just gonna stir, yeah. And then I'm going to come in with my seasonings, you know, the scallion and thing. Yeah, I cut up my scallion because I just feel like it's spread more in there. And plus, I can but I pull out the scallion afterwards. And I like the scallion flavor. If you don't like it, cut it big, make it get some, and then take it out. Simple. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my God. Yo, the pot smell nice. The place smell so good, so good. Like, look at this, look at this. So yeah, basically it's all done. See, quick and simple, didn't take a long time, and it will be ready to plate. God, it smells good. Yeah, this is how I want it. I don't want any more water in there. I want good ratio, food and meat to ratio, water ratio, whatever. Let's just go and eat, alright? Hold on there. Before you go, remember, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe, please. Anyway, see you next time. Bye-bye.